Hello guys and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Uniswap exchange platform on Trust Wallet. Alright, let's get in. First of all, we're going to have to open up our Trust Wallet application. Mine is on my home screen. Yours should also be on your home screen or wherever it is. We're going to be clicking on Trust Wallet. After inputting our passcode and gaining access to Trust Wallet, we'll be heading over to the DApps section of the phone, of the app. We'll be heading over to the DApps section of the app. Once we're there, we're going to be using the Uniswap exchange platform. Okay, you scroll down to the most popular exchange platforms and we have Uniswap right below our favorite, PancakeSwap. You click on Uniswap exchange, you make sure you're on the Ethereum network by simply clicking on Ethereum. You give it some time to load up. Before you start making transactions and doing things on Uniswap, we're going to be clicking on connect and we're going to be collecting our wallet. Simply click on connect, and once that's done, you click on connect again and you exit and you save and leave. Don't click on OK, click on save and leave. Once that's done, you go back to the Uniswap again and voila, this connection symbol, which is what I'm clicking right now, the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you can simply click on the start and end icon, which looks like a start icon or whatever. Once you've clicked on that, you'd automatically disconnect like so, and that's just it. I really believe Uniswap is underrated, or rather overlooked at times. It's a great exchange platform. You could literally exchange your Ape coin to Ethereum and everything would just look so good. Well guys, that's how you make use of Uniswap. I don't really have currencies to swap right now, but in due time or in no time, there'd be currencies to swap. Thank you guys for joining us on today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding how to use Uniswap and you'll be given an answer. The website link for the Uniswap is in the comments section, or rather in the video description. Alright guys, have a nice one.